umculo la ngitalelwa khona mningi time abekacula eshaya accordion then kukhula ngithola abo Gustav nabo Joy bawenda nabo so nami ngajoyina from lapho so umculo bewuyinto leqhamuka naturally okay siyenda for lobunanzi balomculo showcase ama talent la siphiwe khona nokuthi sisebenzise lo mculo kwenteni lokunye labangakwenda ngalenye indlela labanye kufundzisa kutfoba ukhoshina nokuchaza nje buhle bemvelo bemdali bebantu nje nayo yonke inature so ngiyakhona ku conductor ngiyakhona kubhala then ngiyahlabela few instruments ngiyawadlala mawini instruments kakhulu ngikhetha kusebenzisa leli gama la wethu because kule the Emgodini experiment it's more close to isoul yabo professional qale 2008 saqala lapho ke kwakha le foundation I think it was 2021 2022 khona lapho yeah ngila ngicala kuhlangana khona na Clement Gustav yena Gustav wasendlini ngikhula naye vele ngicala kubona la komculo ngumthola uyayenda lento so naye uyi part of inspiration kucheka polisha lapha nalapha umuntu ukuthi nale ngakubona ngiyabuya ngibonisa into efana naleyo Muzi ngihlangane naye ngaClement during ipractice best practice for i-wedding so beka lapha to shoot a few clips nani compile kwenda i-visual thing so saqala kuhlangana lapho and then kusho ukuthi from lapho sabona ukuthi okay nabani una something ukuthi if singayihlanganisa ndawonye kungaphuma something lemnanzi